season is settling in across much of the country's eastern half. This winter of extremes has already exacted a heavy toll. Dozens of weather-related deaths from Ohio to Tennessee, where this week at least 15 people have died, a third from hypothermia. Right now, the Siberian Express is spreading across the east, bringing single-digit and below-zero temperatures from the Great Lakes to the northeast, and even record lows in Florida. Let's start in Nashville with NBC's Gabe Gutierrez.
Relentless snow, ice, and now sub-zero temperatures, some 40 degrees below average, have much of the country frozen over. In Michigan, new video of an officer somehow surviving this crash over the weekend. In Tennessee, a dash cam captured another close call. A worker clearing a crash scene barely managed to jump out of the way of a pickup truck.
Have you ever seen this many sledding injuries here?
Not over this brief period of time.
Vanderbilt Children's Hospital in Nashville has treated more than 60 kids for sledding-related injuries.
When a unprotected brain and skull and head, hits a either stationary or moving solid object, you're going to get a head injury.
Overnight, 911 dispatchers here got calls reporting what may have been ice quakes. Very unusual in the South.
I don't know. It was a big thermal attack.
Yeah, something got better.
Ice quakes happen when you have water that seeps under the soil into the rocks. It freezes quickly. When that ice expands, it actually pops.
In Florida, farmers are rushing to protect their crops. More record lows are expected tomorrow. -9 in Pittsburgh, 2 below zero in Evansville, Indiana. Charlotte will top out at 8 degrees and a frigid 14 in Atlanta. In Newton, Massachusetts, firefighters are digging out nearly 2,000 hydrants.
It's a real problem for us, not only to fight the fire in the cold and the snow, but just to move around and get good access.
With a low of -8, Chicago shattered a record set in 1936. Baggage handlers at O'Hare.
When they start blowing about 20, 30 miles an hour, then it feels like it's 30 below, 40 below.
Tonight in upstate New York, a weather phenomenon. A geyser has frozen into an ice volcano as a historic Arctic blast continues to barrel through. More than 2 million people, including those here in Nashville, are now under yet another winter storm warning. Lester, more snow and freezing rain is expected here tomorrow.
Just keeps coming. Gabe, thank you.